Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. My name is Julie and I make party decorations and gifts for people, and I do this as a full-time living, and I also make videos of DIYs and studio vlogs just to show you how I work through the week. So feel free to check some of those videos out. So in this video today, I will show you how to make this really cute cake topper. It's so fun to make and anyone can do it. So without further ado, let's begin. So first of all, to create the flag, go to Shapes and click on the square. And then unlock it and adjust the square into a more rectangular shape. Next, click on the triangle and unlock this and adjust the triangle. Once that's done, I'm just going to check the width of the rectangle, which is 3.083, and then go back to the triangle and change it to the exact width size, and then drag the triangle down to the bottom of here, and we should have a flag in a moment. First, select all and slice, and then remove the bottom parts. And delete them. And here is our first flag. Next, I'm going to change it to white and then resize it to about 1.5 inches in height. And then duplicate this twice. And now moving on to the text, I'll type out 2. You can use any type of fonts you want. For this tutorial, I am using Wagner Zip Change. And for the letters, I would like to use yellow and then resize the font to 0.7 inches in height, and then ungroup this to see if they fit nicely on top. So I think that looks good. So next I'm going to create a balloon. So click on Shapes and then Circle. Unlock it to adjust the shape to more of an oval shape. And then a triangle and desize this. So this is the bottom of the balloon. Select the balloon and then weld. So that is the first balloon. And I'm going to adjust it to 1.6 inches in height. So now I'm going to change this to yellow and duplicate this, and then basically have 3 colors and just 2 of each colors. So I'm quite happy with the layout, and then next I'm going to prepare for the cut. So I'll be using this light grip mat, and these are the colors I've chosen to use, and each of these cards are 170 GSM, and the setting I will be using is light cardstock. I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. I would really appreciate it if you can hit the like button down below just to show me some appreciation. Thank you so much. So here are all the cut out pieces, and I'm about to put them all together, stick these on top of the flags. And for these balloons I would like to use this really nice gold shimmery twine to add to the bottom of it, so it's like dangling from the straw. And yeah, I'll show you in a moment what it looks like. And I forgot to show you, I'm going to use these blue and white stripy straws, and to glue these letters onto the flag I'll be using the Podge Glue. Okay, these are done. So next I'm going to glue some of the twine at the bottom with some hot glue, and I'll do it for each and one of these balloons. So I've just cut these out for the balloons and cut about 6 of them. I've not measured it or anything, just doing it by eye, and if they're too long I could always trim them down a little bit. Okay, that's the first balloon done. Just going to finish off the rest. Right, all these balloons are done. Next we're going to move on to putting the flags together. Now I'll be also using these gold twine again. So now I'm going to tie the string around the straws at the end. Just tie a little knot. Tying it up, and I will add some hot glue down in a moment. And then just cut the ends off. And next I'm going to glue these balloons together before I add them to the top of the straw. So I want the yellow one to be at the front, and then the blue one be here, the darker blue here, which is just going to add a tiny blob of hot glue. Here we go. I'll do the same for the other ones. This time's the opposite side of the blue, so I want it to have some sort of pattern going on. And finally I'm going to add some hot glue and just place this on top. So this is the end result. I ended up cutting the strings a little bit so they are not all the same length. I thought that would be a nicer touch to it. And let me know what you guys think. I think it's super cute. You can use any colours, and obviously you can change the age, you know, and add more flags to it, meaning you might have to make the flags a tiny bit smaller so you can fit everything on. But overall, I really enjoyed making this, and I hope you guys have enjoyed watching me make this. And yeah, let me know in the comments what you think of my cake topper. So I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Please do like this video as it took me time to put it all together, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.